Hi everyone, this is Priyanka Bhattacharjee and this is my channel. Welcome back to all of you. And in this video, I'm going to talk about a few products which are old but gold, which are serving us for years and never compromised with their quality. Now there are multiple launches in the beauty and hair market nowadays, but these products will always be the classic product and will never be compromising with their quality. So first of all, I'm going to talk about from the skin and hair care category, and then I will be going for the makeup category. I hope you will like my video. Stay tuned with me and watch the full video. So I am going to start this video with a Bengali classic product. Literally no Bengali house is complete without this particular product. I hope you guessed it right. I am talking about this gem. This is Boraline cream and one is called Boraline Ultra Smooth, and this one is the oldest Boraline cream which are there in almost every house. Now this is a very multi-purpose product. People don't usually use it only for the skincare purpose, but if you have acne, any kind of inflammation, any cut or something, then this is going to act as an antiseptic cream. This is Boraline antiseptic cream for you. This one is the lighter version of this particular product. Now if you have oily skin, you can definitely go for it. I won't usually recommend it for the oily skin because it is heavy in texture, but if you have acne, inflammation, redness to your skin, you can apply it on an area based process if you want to use it. But if you have normal to dry skin, you can definitely try this one because these two are the antiseptic cream. This will help you to reduce any kind of inflammation and will make your skin healthy looking as well. Absolutely beautiful thing which are serving us for years now, and this should be there in every Indian house. My second product is this, which is a very known product for everybody, I hope. This is Vaseline Petroleum Jelly. Now this one is the white jelly. If you can see, I used it for my body. I use it as my lip balm. I sometimes use it as my face cream. Everything it can be used for. This is a multi-purpose cream again, but this is not that yellow Vaseline original petroleum jelly, but this is the product, exactly the product which I have been using it since years, to be very honest, and this served me really well. It heals your cracked lips, it heals your cracked body, especially in winter. If you feel like you don't want to apply anything on your face and you just want to apply a petroleum jelly to kind of heal your compromised skin barrier or any kind of inflammation, this is going to act very well for your skin. This is a perfect petroleum jelly which is absolutely fuss free and heals your skin really well. There is no competition for this one in the market. Back then when I was a teenager, there was no cleansing oil to remove makeup or to for the purpose of double cleansing and all. I have been using cleansing milk since then. Now Lakme cleansing milk is a old age product. Like, I really don't know when it was discovered in the beauty market, but somehow I came across this product and this has been my staple since years, since I was a teenager, and it actually removes makeup really efficiently. I use cleansing oils in a very limited proportion. I just don't know, I just don't like the formulations of the cleansing oil. This is not something that I would definitely prefer on a daily basis, so I usually use this one. This is a cleansing milk by Lakme. Has a little bit of smell which is very pleasing again, but the main thing which it does, it removes the makeup really well. It just makes the makeup melt like nothing. This is a very good makeup remover product. If you just want to cleanse the dirt from your skin, this is also going to act really well. But if you just want to remove the makeup from your face, this is going to act very well as well. Beauty market is flooded with different body lotions and body creams and body butter and these and that. Also they contain AHA, BHA, PHA and what not. I don't get the all of this hype and confusions around this. I need something extremely moisturizing and something that actually gets penetrated into my skin and doesn't only create a layer over my skin which is extremely oily and sticky. And there I found something which has been a staple for me since years now. I am in love with two body lotions from Vaseline, which one among them is Vaseline Cocoa Butter one, and the other one is definitely last but not the least, which is called Haircare by Vaseline. That bottle is white, which is not with me right now, and currently I'm using this particular variant. These two are extremely moisturizing, and let me tell you, it does not make your skin oily and penetrates into your skin, keeps it moisturized for a really long time. You don't have to reapply it every now and then. I have really dry skin, especially in winter, although I love to use body lotions throughout the year because the basic nature of my skin is dry, and this particular body lotion helps to reduce that dryness in my skin really well. You definitely get your hands on this. It is just full of moisturizing agent into it. This particular variant has an excellent smell into it, and absolutely good quality body lotion under budget. It's a very old age product, still it is serving its purpose really well, and it can also beat 1000 rupees and 2000 rupees body lotion and body creams easily. Now I'm going to talk about a hair oil which is called Navratna. Now let me tell you something, I get headache very frequently because of stress, because of this and that, so many things, but I get headache a lot, and this oil helps me a lot as well because it calms your scalp really well. It soothes your scalp really well. Also, the oil is completely infused with a lot of herbs, so it is going to take care of your hair health as well. If you have oily hair, dry hair, or normal hair, if you have any kind of concerns like inflammation or sort of flaky skin on your scalp, this is going to take care of this as well. If you have damaged hair, then this oil is going to tame all the damages and any kind of problem if you have on your scalp or on your hair. This is a all-in-one oil, has a very soothing fragrance as well. This is going to reduce your headache or migraine issues. Absolutely great hair oil. I'm going to talk about a concealer which is from LA Girl Pro. I am extremely loyal buyer of two concealers. One is from LA Girl and the other one is from L'Oreal Paris. These two are my go-to concealers, and I love this two at all. And also the fact that I love about it, has a very beautiful applicator. It's just like a brush-like applicator, which is very convenient to apply in your under eye area, on your nose, or wherever you want it to apply. And this is an extremely good coverage concealer. Sometimes I don't use any BB cream and foundation. I just apply it and blend it well, and I am good to go. This is an excellent and good quality concealer. You can definitely get your hands on this. I know there are a lot of concealers available out in the market, but I just cannot shift my focus out of this. This is an excellent and very good quality concealer. Do try this one. I am a big fan of liquid highlighters and illuminators, of course, but if I have to choose or pick one among the powder highlighters available in the market, then I will definitely choose this one, and which is from L'Oreal Paris. It's their highlighter. It's a powder highlighter basically, but although it is a powder highlighter, it does not contain any chunky particles. It blends into your skin like nothing. You can apply it with your fingertips only. You don't need another brush or any professional makeup tools to apply, which is the best part of this. And also it looks very natural to your skin. It's a very versatile shade as well. It is going to suit the fair skin tone. It is going to suit the medium skin tone. It is going to suit the olive undertoned skin tones, and this is also going to suit the warm and cool undertone, all of them. So this is basically a very good quality highlighter. Although it is a powder highlighter, it blends like dream. Do get your hands on this. I am going to talk about two eye products. First of all, I'm going to talk about the Maybelline Kajal. Now I have been using this Maybelline Kajal since years. Now they have different variants, but I am a very loyal purchaser of the Maybelline Kajal because it has the kind of pigment which are very daily usage kind of pigment. It is not too much black, it is not grayish. There are so many kajals available in the market which are pricey, but still they do have little grayish black pigment. I just don't like it. Only the Maybelline Kajal I have found which has a correct amount of pigment, which are perfect for the daily use and also for the occasions and special purpose. And also the pigment is definitely beautiful. Do get your hands on this. Another product that I want to talk about is this one. It's Lakme highlighter. I know there are so many fans of the pen eyeliner, but I find that pen eyeliners get dried very quickly, and also it's not very convenient to apply as well, for me at least. It has a beautiful applicator. Let me show you first. This is the kind of applicator. If you have shaky hand like me, like I am not a pro of applying eyeliner, so I need an applicator which is going to be very precise and perfect for me, and this has that kind of applicator into it. Also the pigment is top notch. This is definitely not waterproof and smudge proof, but if you can consider these two factors, then do get your hands on this absolutely beautiful highlighter. Also a great applicator you are getting with it. Okay, so finally we are at the end of the video. I really hope you liked my video, and if you want such content a little more, then do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for having the patience to watch my video. Thanks a lot. We'll see you very soon. Bye.